Building better sentences by adding adjectives, improving your verb choice, adding fronted adverbials, and using similes. The teacher went into the classroom. A very dull sentence this. In fact, rather boring. Let's have a go at rebuilding it. We'll begin by adding an adjective in front of one of the nouns. There are two nouns to choose from, the teacher and the classroom. Oh, that's a good choice of adjective. Dishevelled means messy. The dishevelled teacher went into the classroom. That's an improvement, but let's keep rebuilding. Next, let's think about improving our verb choice. We've used the word went. What other word could we use instead? Stumbled. Yes, good choice of verb that. The dishevelled teacher stumbled into the classroom. What now? Oh yes, why don't we begin our sentence with a fronted adverbial? Wearing only one shoe, the dishevelled teacher stumbled into the classroom. Let's complete our sentence with some figurative language. We'll end with a simile. Wearing only one shoe, the dishevelled teacher stumbled into the classroom like a rhino with a thorn in its foot. So we've gone from the teacher went into the classroom to wearing only one shoe, the dishevelled teacher stumbled into the classroom like a rhino with a thorn in its foot. And we've achieved this by rebuilding using 4 easy steps. First, we added an adjective. Next, we improved our verb choice. Thirdly, we added a fronted adverbial. And we finished with a simile. Why don't you have a go at rebuilding these sentences? Pick a sentence and then fix it. Add an adjective. Improve the verb. Add a fronted adverbial and end with a simile.